Hello guys! Today I will show you an amazing website for creating resume for free. No sign up needed, no watermark, and also download and print ready. At first, search tonewer.com in Google. Click on this website. Here, find Generator from top and click Resume Generator. Then you will find our free Resume Generator website. There are 6 types of resume templates in our website. Select one from here. I am selecting Classic. Then you can choose a color theme from below. Also, you can choose a font style from the included fonts. Scroll down and select Personal Info. Here you have to input your name, designation, email, phone number, and address. Also, you can add your website address, LinkedIn profile, and GitHub profile. Now, add your image from below. Now, scroll up and click on Summary. Edit your summary from here as you need. Then, click on the Experience option. Here, you can add your work experience. Type your company name, your position, company address, and the time you started the job and end it. Left it blank if you are currently working on the company. You can add your job responsibilities from below. After adding experience, click on the Education option from above. Here, add your education details like institute name, course or degree name, institute address, your result, and the course time. You can add more education details by clicking the Add button, and also can remove by clicking Delete button. After education, click on the Skills option. Add your skills here. You can add or delete skills too. After completing Skills section, click on the Project option for adding your project details and project URL. Now scroll to the top and you will see a Live Preview option here. Here in your resume ready. You can download it PDF by clicking Export. Also, you can print it by clicking Print button. That's it. Also, if you need a custom design resume or other document, contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. Thank you.